Hello and welcome to another update video on ICP. I know a very popular cryptocurrency chart, very popular coin. My view is we have no confirmation here of a low. We're still holding above, let's call it cycle support, this kind of medium-term, long-term support area between $3.56 and $4.35. To be fair, it's already deeper than it ideally should be in this B-wave pullback. We have an A wave down in 5 waves. That is the long-term chart, yeah. That does not really set the chart up for a bullish history or bullish future, let's say it like that, because a 5-wave move down is long-term bearish. I've always said that. But then we have a 5-wave move up, so that gives us kind of mixed signals. And after that 5-wave move up, we have a 3-wave move down. So it's potentially bullish. Potentially, it shows that the market wants to go higher. But with a chart history like that, we can't really trust that, okay? We want to see a local setup here that will tell us that a C wave to the upside has started. And honestly, because of the chart history, I don't really call that a long-term bullish chart. I definitely keep the door open for maybe one more boom phase in wave C, but it hasn't started yet. So it's still time to be cautious because a chart history like that, the long-term chart, is just a big mess. And to be honest, I could be wrong about this. I mean, this is 5 waves up, clear. But what if the A wave was here? And then we have A, B, C. And this is the B wave. And we're breaking down completely. But then again, this move down was not clearly in 5 waves. So at least from our Elliott wave perspective, I have no evidence that we're already in a bear market. Structurally, okay? But that does not mean that there is an upside setup, because there isn't. There is no bullish setup here. So I'm tracking this, however, because of the reward to risk ratio, which is quite, let's say, the reward to risk ratio is quite attractive from a bullish point of view, because honestly, below the 2023 low, any upside potential is going to be invalidated. That the A-B structure would be invalidated. So, but still, this could take ages until something bullish forms. So for now, I want to highlight here, we might need one more low. This is a micro support area, or let's say rather, it's actually a larger support area. It seems like one more low is missing because the rally from the April low ended in 3 waves. And we have not really seen any upside impulse. We have not broken above that green line. So from that point of view, I'm skeptical that we've already bottomed. I think one more low is likely. If that one more low forms and the price forms a first micro 5-wave move up, then this would be probably our wave 1 of C. So this is what we need to see from a bullish point of view. Wave 1, and then the wave 2 can be a setup. Can you buy now? I mean, you can do that if you want to, but please note that you are fighting against a chart that seems to be in a long-term downtrend, and there is no setup as such from the recent low, which would clearly confirm that the low is already in. But generally, as long as the market holds above this area here, $3.56 to $4.35, I think the bulls at least have a chance. But the market needs to get back above $6.40 to indicate that something bullish is playing out. Yeah, that's the update on ICP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.